16, 1521. Philippines was discovered by Magellan. We're sailing day and night across the big ocean until the small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Kastila gid at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, humabon meet him, they will be very happy. All people were baptized until the Church of Christ. That's the beginning about Catholic life. When Magellan busy leading Mactan to Christianize him everyone, but Lapu-Lapu meet him on the shore and drive Magellan to go back home. When Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to camouflage Mactan Island with cold na crab. Cause Lapu-Lapu, it's very hard. Then the battle began at dawn. Bullets and swords versus guns and cannons. When Lapu-Lapu was a full snake, he stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell the mama, do not cry. And the Island of Mactan, long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.